Ki khna shinrang ka school jong ka Sunray Secondary School, lambat ki khna school kentei jong ka Synod High Secondary School, kila long kila Lahduh ha ka lumpung ilek kai 32nd State Level Inter-School Karate Tournament arja arpun rio, kabala long ha kini kilai sngi, kata nadu ka arpulai haduk arpasantrik unaitung, ha multi-purpose indoor sports hall ka Sai STC Nehu. Ki school bawan ba ar ni runners up ban kilong ka St. Anthony's High Secondary School na kalengi kna shinrang bat na kalengi kna kan pan ka school ka bawan ba ar de ka Sacred Heart Girls High Secondary School. Menta ka snam ka jingwane shimbanta ki school ka long ka babon pha ha ka ba kala kan jo shadu shispa ar pun riu tili ki school bat ki kna nong wane shimbanta baro kila poi shadu praspa arngun kata laispa kandai puai ki kna kan bat sauspa khat wei ki khna shinrang hai kini ki lai sngi jong ki jinga khun lami pawru ki rang bar ki theyele kai ki batakin sai bat bit tam kabala pun long ki bakin nyo bakin ra ya ka nam best karateka ki khna bala yo ban ra ekini ki nam kilong best karateka boys junior college Shah Udaran R Warjri Christian Academy High Secondary School Best Karateka Boys Senior Pusaimi I Kindia Lumpur di Yongpya Upper Primary School Jabai Best Karateka Girls Junior MRT Karwan Suk Stonyland Secondary School Best Karateka Girls Senior Asenka Beryl Marwan St. Joseph's Higher Secondary School Ukongsan balalet banyadon lang hakapor bapenkut no yakani lumpung day uba Ivan Benson Dingdo Additional Superintendent of Police East Khas Hills District Meghalaya Katba usembut kongsan pan udai uba Alan Nyangti, President West Jaintia District Karate Association. Ya kani kalumpung lalit ban pli yaka da uba John F. Karshi Ying, Co-Chairman Meghalaya State Planning Board, but Working President Meghalaya State Olympic Association, but usembut kongsan day u General Secretary ke MSOA, ba Finally El Parian, but don lang kinongkit kam jong ke AMKA, kinong hikay jong school, kikimi kikpa bat kumju de kikna nong wan ya shimbanta.
Good evening to all. It brings me immense pleasure to see many Karachikas here today. This is testimony of how popular this sport is in our state, in Northeast, and in the country as a whole. To be honest with you, my first introduction to karate was through movies. Those days we had the Karate Kid, next Karate Kid. We had movie stars like Chuck Norris. We had movie stars like Van Damme, and so on. And seeing again how the sport has grown, growing a bit about how it started in Japan many years ago, and from Japan was introduced in America, other parts of the world, how it grew, and what it focuses. That is also very important. Karate, it focuses on discipline. It focuses on respecting your opponents. It focuses on being humble. It focuses on having compassion. These are traits of a good athlete. Winning and losing is part and parcel of life. Winning and losing is part and parcel of any sport. And how you handle your wins, how you handle your losses, you see